Welcome to chapter 9. In this chapter we are going to learn how can we use the ChatGPT for medical tips and cooking tips. So if you want to get the medical tips and tricks, you can ask to ChatGPT and it will suggest you as well. If you want to make some delicious food to cook, and if you want to know that how can we make the different kind of diseases, you can ask to ChatGPT and it will give the solution for you. Now we are going to look at that how can we ask the ChatGPT for medical tips. For an example, if you are suffering from diabetes and you want to control the diabetes, you can ask to ChatGPT as well. If you are suffering from pressure or some other medical diseases, so you can ask to ChatGPT and it will give the tips, right? Now I am going to ask to ChatGPT about how to control the diabetes. So I'm going to open the ChatGPT and I'm going to click the new chat because this should be new chat. I'm going to ask, now I'm going to type it here. How can I control my diabetes? How can I control my diabetes? If I ask that how can I control my diabetes, it will give the suggestion to you. You can see here, controlling diabetes involves managing your blood sugar level through the combination of healthy lifestyle, habit and medical treatment. Here are some general tips to help you control your diabetes. Monitor your blood pressure level, and it will give some suggestion. You can see that here is some general tips to help you control your diabetes. The first one, monitor your blood sugar level regularly and keep a log of your readings. Second one is follow a healthy diet that is low in sugar, salt, and shut out fat, higher in fiber and complex carbohydrate. And the third one is exercise regularly and maintaining a healthy weight. The fourth one is take your medicines and insulin as per doctor description. The fifth one is manage stress and get enough sleep. The sixth one is avoid smoking, limit alcohol consumption. And the seventh one is, so there are 7 tips are given for us to control your diabetes. I want to ask to ChatGPT, my diabetic level is 200, so what are the food I need to take in this moment? So I'm going to ask the question to ChatGPT and it will suggest us the food which I want to take to control diabetic. So I'm going to ask that my diabetic level is 200. Can you suggest some food to control? Some food to control. Right. So if I ask that my diabetes level is 200, can you suggest some food to control? It will give some food. A blood sugar level of 200 indicate that your diabetes is not well controlled, and it's important to work with your healthcare provider to develop a personalized plan to manage your diabetic. In general, the following food may help to control blood sugar level. The first one, non-starchy vegetables such as leafy green, broccoli and cauliflower. And you can see that some food it suggests to us, so you can take these food. You can see that healthy fats such as nuts, seeds and avocado. So these are the food you can take to control your diabetic. And as well, I can ask to the ChatGPT what are the exercise I can take to control my diabetes. So I'm going to copy the same question. My diabetic level is 200. Can you suggest some exercise, right, to control? And it will give some exercise. Exercise can be a great way to help to control blood sugar level in people with the diabetic. Before starting an exercise program, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider to make sure it's safe for you exercise and determine the best type of intensity of exercise for you. Here is some types of exercise. You can see that there are many type of exercise it's given to us. You can see different kind of exercise: cycling, swimming, and resistance training, strength training exercise such as lifting weight, using resistance bands can you help to build muscle mass, improve insulin sensitive. So these are the some exercise it suggests to us, so you can take it. So this is how you can ask to ChatGPT regarding your medical tips, right?